In the vibrant heart of Paris, amidst the tumultuous roar of the Belle Époque, a revolution was brewing. This was no political upheaval, but a creative explosion that would forever change the landscape of art, the birth of Cubism. Pablo Picasso, a Spanish prodigy, and Georges Braque, a quiet French painter, stood at the forefront of this artistic revolution. Both were driven by an insatiable desire to challenge convention, to break free from the shackles of traditional art. The year was 1907. Picasso, fresh from the success of his Rose period, was about to unveil a masterpiece that would shake the art world to its core, Les Demoiselles d'Avignon. The painting, with its fragmented figures and jarring distortions, was a stark departure from anything that had come before. The crisis was palpable. Critics were baffled, some outright offended. The public, accustomed to the comforting familiarity of traditional art, were taken aback by the radical departure. Yet, Picasso remained undeterred. In response to the criticism, Picasso and Braque began a dialogue through their art. They sought to create a new language, one that would capture the essence of multiple perspectives simultaneously. This led to the development of analytical cubism, characterized by its geometric forms and muted color palette. The action was not without its challenges. The two artists spent countless hours in each other's studios, dissecting their work, pushing each other to new heights. Their collaboration was a testament to their shared vision and mutual respect. The consequence of their efforts was profound. Cubism, with its fragmented forms and multiple perspectives, challenged the way people saw the world. It opened the door for a new way of depicting reality, one that was not bound by conventional rules. The Cubism movement, born from the minds of Picasso and Braque, ignited a fire in the artistic community. Artists around the world began to embrace the new style, contributing to a rich and diverse artistic landscape that continues to evolve today. In the end, Picasso and Braque's revolution was not just about art. It was about challenging perception, about daring to see the world differently. And in doing so, they left an indelible mark on the history of art.